Hey guys, video I'm going to be styling this 4x4 lace closure wig. This wig was sent to me from Allove hair. Now this is a honey blonde wig unit. This isn't my first time using this color. This is my third time actually. I've tried this style in a bob. I've tried it in a straight 24-inch or 26-inch I believe. So now I'm doing this color in a 18-inch body wave. I'm not going to bleach the knots for this unit. However, I'm going to do a little bit of tweezing. I'm going to flatten out the top a little bit using my hot iron. And I'm going to further define the curls using my curling wand. With closures, I like for my styling process to be as quick as possible because, I mean, most of the times closures can be pretty much on and off and you can wear it without glue. So for me, closures are a no hassle styling process when it comes to wigs. Okay, so after curling and setting my wig, I put on some makeup. I decided to do something a little bit more neutral and natural because of the color. As you guys can see, like my eyelashes are very light. And I didn't add any highlighter or any shimmer or anything like that. So that was the reason. Every time I see this color, like when I get it in the package, I'm really shocked at how bright it is. And I'm just like, oh my god, what was I thinking? But after I actually style it, put everything together, I end up really loving it. So, you know, I'm okay. Okay, so just putting on the wig alone, we're like 50% finished. So what I did was I put some powder on the inside of the lace. It makes a very slight difference. So I'm just gonna take some of my Got To Be Free spray. I honestly don't need any of this, but I'm just gonna take a little bit. Alright, so what I'm doing, I'm actually taking some of my black mascara and I'm lightly running it through the root. Honestly, I just want to darken it a bit. Just to add some more dimension in there and to make it look. I just find that the warm brown color is not really flattering for my complexion. So I'm trying to see if I can just touch it up lightly and brush it in lightly into the roots. Okay, so this side is looking a little bit softer. I'm just gonna get this side to match. All right, this is the finished look. I honestly believe that I stepped it up a notch by adding the dark mascara in the root. It kind of made it look more gradient, added some more dimension, and made it look a little bit more realistic. And then the baby hairs at the side here to kind of break up that little straight hairline that was going on. So I really love how this looks. It looks a little bit different than the other units I did in the same exact color. I'm liking this a lot more. I purposely asked for an 18-inch because I find that when I do the waves with like with a shorter length, it looks more effortless and less dramatic, especially with the color. I'm just loosening out some of the curls back here. But yeah, I really like it. Let me know what you guys think. I love working with closures. I know frontals can give you like the whole hairline, but I love working with closures because, like I always say this, they're easy to install. You don't need to use glue, and it's beginner friendly, and you can always give it like a frontal look. You can master that frontal look with a closure by putting the right amount of baby hairs. Thank you so much, Allove Hair, for sponsoring this video. I'm going to leave all the details to this unit in the description box below, so don't forget to check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.